Hello and welcome to the RMI Corporation video on using Customer Portal with Advantage software. In today's market, it is vital to interact with customers in multiple ways to maintain a competitive advantage. Many studies have shown that having a strong web presence increases a customer's loyalty and trust. Your website can also directly impact your bottom line by reducing cost and increasing productivity. Here at RMI, we have everything you need to accomplish this and more. Our Customer Portal is a tool that allows you to integrate your Advantage software system to your company website. Let's start by looking at a customer card. The customer card is a master data record for your customer. In this example, we are viewing the master record for RMI Restoration, who is a customer of our demonstration company, Advantage Rental Sales and Service. Directly on their card, there are buttons to create the web login and to set up a password. You can see this in the upper right-hand corner of this snapshot. You will want to share this information with your customer so that they can access your portal at any time. Next, let's go out to Advantage Rental Sales and Services website and log in as RMI Restoration. Right on your company website, RMI will create a client login link. This is where your customers will come to enter the login name and password that you created on their customer card. We are now logged into the customer portal. RMI delivers several standard pages fully developed right out of the box. One of the many great features of the customer portal is that it is extremely flexible and you do not need to have any web expertise. Maybe there's a particular field you want to hide or a unique page you'd like to have. RMI can do all of this for you by developing custom web pages. We can also apply a template to your website like you see here on screen so that it looks appealing to the customer. RMI gives you the flexibility to apply your own graphics and branding as well, so you can truly call this your own. The first page that comes standard in the customer portal is the account information page. The information on this page is pulling directly from the customer card in your database. Your customers can use this page to update their information. Once a change is made, the site will tell the customer if it was successful and then automatically update that field on their record in your database. This change will happen in real time. Using this tool can increase the productivity of your staff as they no longer have to waste time updating records. Your customers can service themselves right on the web. The next page is for invoices. Let's take a look at an open invoice for RMI Restoration. I can click right from here to view the invoice on screen. I can then save it or print it for my records. This can increase the productivity of your customers as they now no longer need to call you to obtain this information if they lost the original. If you have an authorized .net or PayPal account, you can also arrange for customers to pay invoices online. The customer can select the invoice they'd like to pay or select all and then proceed to enter their payment information. Just like invoicing, your customers can also do quotes online. This can help drive revenue by giving yet another way for your customers to authorize and pay for an order. This can help your sales team close more deals. The next page is to check inventory. This tool is especially great for companies with multiple locations. From this window, your customer can select the location nearest to them and then view what is on hand at that site. I do want to point out that this is one of the most frequently customized pages of our customer portal. Several of our clients have selected to make this page public so that anybody visiting their website can see the products they carry. Other clients have opted for the page to read "Please call for availability" instead of the number 0 so that they do not lose any potential deals if they do not have an item on hand. This page, as well as all of the other pages in the customer portal, can be tweaked to meet your particular business requirements. The My Rentals page shows customers what they have out on rent from you. This gives your customer a quick view of all of the equipment that they have. This page can be useful to your customer, particularly if they have equipment from multiple places. The next page your customer can use to call a piece of equipment off rent. The form allows the customer to select the pieces that they would like to return, enter a return date, and then any notes about the return request. Once the customer hits submit, this will generate an email to employees on your end. Your employees can then determine how to process the request. Perhaps maybe they need to call the customer for further information, or they can go right into your Advantage software system and create the return work order. For more information on this topic, please visit our videos on rental returns. The last page is the ability for your customers to generate a service request. Your customer can select a unit for servicing. This list will display both units that the customer has on rent from you, as well as the units that they own but that you service for them. Please visit our videos on service items for more information on this topic. In this example, Armani Restoration is having a problem with a generator that they are renting from us. The customer can type in any notes about the problem. And then again they can hit submit. Once the form is submitted, it will again generate an email to employees on your end who can then determine how to process the request. Perhaps you just need to give the customer a quick call and walk them through how to operate the unit. Or, if it's a more critical issue, you can generate a service order quickly and dispatch a technician to the customer right away. For both the rental return and service request, we recommend having multiple employees at your locations receive the emails so that you can respond as quickly as possible and so that nothing is missed if someone is out of the office. When the customer is completed, they can simply hit log out. This completes the Advantage software training video on using Customer Portal in Advantage software. We are confident that effective use of this tool will increase your customer loyalty and drive revenue for your business. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of the Advantage software video series.